Hi guys, Dr. Bill here. One of the things that I recommend that most people do unless they eat a lot of fish is to take fish oil. Some people don't like to take capsules because they're hard to swallow or they're too big. Also, some people don't like fish oil because it produces a fishy aftertaste or what we call fishy burps. So my solution for that is to use liquid fish oil at night. And some people may not like the taste of the fish oil, but I use this Carlson lemon flavored fish oil, which you can take straight, but I don't really like to do that. So my little trick is to use some orange juice with the fish oil. So what I do every night pretty much is take a shot glass, put a little bit of juice in it, about a half ounce or so, and then I take my fish oil, which by the way, you need to shake it to mix it up good. And then I just pour about a teaspoon in here, and cheers, bottoms up. And I don't taste the oil, and I get a little bit of orange juice, which I enjoy. And then I go to bed, and I don't have the fishy burps. And that's it. Have a good day.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.